The tragic events that took place in Uvalde, Texas, have reignited the debate over gun control, mental health, and the role of law enforcement in protecting citizens. The footage obtained by the Statesman and KVUE News sheds light on the limitations of police protection and the flawed assumption that private citizens do not need firearms because the police will protect them from crime. The footage shows that police officers were on the scene minutes after the shooter entered the school, but they quickly retreated after receiving a burst of gunfire. As KVUE notes, over the next hour, little was done, even as more and more police arrived. In fact, the footage reveals that police rarely have a legal obligation to protect individuals and rarely do. The primary purpose of police is to respond to crimes after they occur, and data suggests even this they do not do very well. In reality, about 11% of all serious crimes result in an arrest, and about 2% end in a conviction, writes Shima Bauman, professor of criminal law at the University of Utah, in the conversation. Furthermore, the government generally and the police specifically have no legal obligation to protect people from criminal attacks in most localities. In fact, they don't even have to show up. The no duty rule was established in a particularly gruesome landmark case, where the victims sued the city and the police department for negligence to protect them, or even respond to the second call. The court held that government had no duty to respond to their call or to protect them, and the case was dismissed. Most states have similar laws, and some are quite explicit. A statute in Kansas precludes citizens from suing the government for negligence in police protection, while a California law states, neither a public entity nor a public employee is liable for failure to establish a police department or otherwise provide police protection service. While police may not be obligated to help people in need, it's fair to assume that most want to help people. Unfortunately, by its very nature, bureaucracy tends to frustrate the ability of police departments to operate efficiently and effectively. Moreover, the events at Robb Elementary School in Uvalde underscore the need for individuals to be prepared and equipped to protect themselves and their loved ones. This includes having the right to bear arms, which is enshrined in the Second Amendment of the United States Constitution. In conclusion, the Uvalde footage serves as a painful reminder that police protection is not guaranteed and that individuals must take responsibility for their own safety and security. It also raises important questions about the role of law enforcement in society and the limitations of government institutions. As we continue to grapple with these complex issues, we must strive to find solutions that balance the need for public safety with the protection of individual rights and freedoms. Subscribe Libertarian Facts.